The power of community. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, the importance of community often goes unnoticed, yet building a sense of community remains essential for creating a supportive and inclusive society. Communities are the backbone of human connection, providing individuals with a sense of belong, shared purpose, and emotional security. From small local neighborhood to expansive global online groups, communities play a critical role in enriching life and addressing shared challenges. At its core, a community is more than just a collection of individuals living in the same area. It is about shared experience, common goals, and mutual support. Local communities, for instance, often revolve around physical space such as school, religious institutions, and parks. The space serve as hubs where individuals can come together to exchange ideas, building friendship, and collaborate on projects that benefit everyone involved. One example of a thriving local initiative is a community garden project. Such projects have become increasingly popular in urban areas where green spaces are limited. Community gardens not only provide fresh produce for the participants but also educate people about sustainable practices like composting and organic farming. Moreover, working together in this garden for this foster a spirit teamwork and camaraderie, which can significantly improve mental well-being. Participant often report feeling less isolated and more connected to neighbor, highlighting the profound psychological benefit of collection action. On a broader scale, the advent of technology has revolutionized how communities are formed and maintained. Social media platforms and digital tools have created virtual space where people with shared interests or goals can connect, regardless of physical location. For example, someone passionate about environmental conversation can join an online group dedicated to climate action, where they can share resources, organize events, and advocate for policy change. The virtual communities have proven invaluable, particularly in times of crisis. During the COVID-19 pandemic, online communities served as lifeline, offering support network for individuals facing isolation, employment, and health challenges. Despite the many advantages of virtual communities, they also come with their own set of challenges. The significant concern is the spread of misinformation in virtual space. Unverified information can circulate rapidly, leading to misunderstanding and even harm. Additionally, while online interaction can foster a sense of connection, they often lack the deep and authenticity of face-to-face communication. Virtual friendship may feel superficial to some, and the absence of physical presence can make it harder to build trust and empathy. Another area where community scene is addressing social issues. Community-driven initiatives have been at the forefront of tackling challenges such as poverty, inequality, and environmental degradation. For instance, many grassroots organizations rely on the power of community to mobilize volunteers, raise funds, and advocate for change. This effort demonstrates that when individuals come together for common purpose, they can achieve remarkable results. Such initiatives remind the collective strength of a community often surpass what individual can accomplish on their own. Communities also play essential role preserving culture and tradition. Festival, religious ceremonies, and local customs often serve as ongoing events that bring people together. These cultural practice provide opportunities for intergenerational learning and help maintain a sense of identity and pride. For immigrants and expatriates, joining a cultural community can ease the challenge of adjusting to new environment while keeping them connected to their roots. In the workplace, fostering a sense of community can lead to higher level of productivity and employee satisfaction. Organization the priorities teamwork, inclusivity, and open communication often the improve collaboration and morale among their staff. Simple practice like team building activities, recognition programs, and social events can create a workplace culture where employees feel valued and supported. Ultimately, the power of community lies in its ability to unite people for common purpose. Whether through face-to-face interaction in local neighborhoods or virtual gatherings in online forums, communities remind us that we are strong together. They teach us the value of empathy, collaboration, and shared responsibility. In a world where individualism often takes precedence, communities serve as a vital reminder of the importance of connection and collective action. Building and sustaining a sense of community requires effort and commitment. It involves listening to others, embracing this diversity, and fostering inclusivity. While the method of forming communities may evolve over time, their fundamental purpose remains unchanged: to bring people together, provide support, and inspire collective growth. Wherever you are a part a local initiative, a workplace team, or an online group, the bonds formed within a community have the potential to enrich, live, and create lasting positive change. As negative the complexities of the modern world, let us not forget the enduring value of community in times of joy and hardship alike. Communities offer strength, hope, and solidarity. They remind us that no matter how fast or isolating life may feel, we are never truly alone.